So I'm having some trouble with the H key in this Dell laptop, so I'm going to replace the keyboard. So one thing I want to do is remove the battery. Don't want to blow anything in there, so the battery's out. These are the only two tools I need. This here, which is normally used to sculpt clay, but they're excellent for putting underneath plastic parts and prying them up without damaging them. And I just use this multi-point screwdriver with various heads. And of course, the new keyboard. So what needs to come up is, there's a panel here which pries out, and it will need to be removed. Here we are. There. Comes out like that. There. I'm also going to give this a good vacuuming out. But basically all that needs to be done is, I think this screwdriver might be a bit too big, but there's two screws here. No, it come off. It's the screwdriver is kind of big for the job, but these two screws here are all that's holding the keyboard in. Then you just take the little prying tool, put it underneath there, and you gently pull out here. And let's see, it should come out. Things don't always come out the way you want them to. So sometimes you need to pry it up a little bit here, make sure it all comes out uniformly, and then grab this little tab here and it pulls out. Now I can see that there's a lot of dirt in here and gunk, so I'm going to take a vacuum and really vacuum that out. So putting it back in is very simple. Just make sure everything, there's two tabs here, they fit down, and you just put this in like that and you just ease it in. There's a bunch of tabs actually, and just make sure they're all beneath the plastic piece here, and you just kind of work it in, and then just push the ends down, make sure everything is fitting in comfortably. So this little piece here, I gave it a good blowing out, and should go in like this. There we are. So I'm also going to use this opportunity while I have the vacuum out to vacuum out all the vents in the computer and around the battery compartment, because they do pick up dust and dirt. So I think that's always a good idea when you are working on a laptop. So now I've got the computer battery in. Now I'm going to see if it boots up. So here the computer's working nicely, and my H button works perfectly.